Welcome to today's tutorial on how to allow inbox messages from those you follow on Pinterest using your PC. With the latest update, managing your messaging preferences has become even easier. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen for a gear icon. This icon represents the settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Next, locate the Social Permissions section on the left sidebar. Click on it to access options related to your social interactions on Pinterest. Here, you will find settings that control who can send you messages and how those messages are managed. Under the Messages section, look for an option that says Edit next to Following. This is where you can customize your messaging preferences specifically for users you follow. Click on Edit to proceed. A new window will appear with options for managing messages from those you follow. You'll see different choices regarding how you want to receive these messages. To enable inbox messages from your followers, select Inbox. This ensures that any messages from users you follow will be directed straight to your inbox. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom of the window. This action will confirm your changes and ensure that you're set up to receive messages from your followers. And that's it. You've successfully allowed inbox messages from those you follow on Pinterest. Now, you can enjoy seamless communication with your connections and never miss an important message again. Thank you for watching, and happy pinning!